Hi folks, glad you could join me for this week's tutorial where we're going to cover Havana. Havana, half of my heart is in Havana. He took me back to East Atlanta. All of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. He didn't walk up without how you doing. He said there's a lot of girls I could do with. I'm doing forever and a minute. Boss says he's got Mallow in him. Got me feeling like I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. Got me feeling like and then I had to tell him I had to go. Havana. Half of my heart is in Havana. He took me back to East Atlanta. All of my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana. Havana, oh no, no. Feeling like I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. Got me feeling like and then I had to tell him I had to go. Havana. Half of my heart is in Havana. He took me back to East Atlanta. All of my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana. Havana. Okay, so that was a played through at normal speed. In this section, I'm going to break down the three chords and show you how to play them with the strum pattern. So you've got the first chord, which is your G minor. So first finger on the first string, first fret, second finger up on the third string in the second fret, and your third or ring finger in the second string in the third fret. Okay, so from that G minor, you're going to go into an E flat. So the best way to do that is to slide that second finger until it comes from the second fret into the third fret. Okay, so G minor, E flat, and then a D7 chord. Okay, so bar the second fret and then put your second finger on like this. Okay, so just go over that again. G minor, E flat, D7. Havana, oh now. But my heart is in Havana, oh now. He took me back to East Atlanta. All of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. He didn't walk up without how you doing. He said there's a lot of girls I could do with. I'm doing forever in a minute. Papa says he's got Mallow in him. Feeling like I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. Got me feeling like and then I had to tell him I had to go. Havana, half of my heart is in Havana. He took me back to East Atlanta. All of my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana. Oh, na 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 na. There's a couple of different ways of playing this song. One is you can strum it like this. Which is tricky enough. Another way to do it is you can use like a what I call a bass up strum kind of a rhythm. It's kind of like this here. So you're hitting the top string like that, and these three fingers pluck up the three strings below it. It kind of goes like that. Okay, so we'll give it a go using that particular strum pattern there. Okay. Havana, my heart is in Havana, he took me back to East Atlanta, all of my heart is in Havana, there's something about his manners, he didn't walk up with that how you doing, he said there's a lot of girls I could do with, I'm doing forever in a minute, Pop says he's got mellow in him, got me feeling like ooh, I knew it when I met him, I loved him when I left him, got me feeling like ooh, and then I had to tell him I had to go, ooh, na 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 na, Havana, ooh, na, na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh, na, na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. All of my heart is in Havana, my heart is in Havana, Havana, ooh, na, na. I'm feeling like ooh, I knew it when I met him, I loved him when I left him, got me feeling like ooh, and then I had to tell him I had to go, ooh, na 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 na, Havana, ooh, na, na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh, na, na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. All of my heart is in Havana, my heart is in Havana, Havana, ooh, na, na. So that was it. Played through with a bass kind of pluck strum kind of an idea. Have a little go at that and see how you get on with it. It's remembering it's that basic rhythm the whole way through this song. Okay. If I was to break that down, it would be just you're playing your G minor chord, as you'll see from your diagram, which fingers go where. With the thumb plucking down on the top, and these three fingers, first finger on the third string, second finger on the second string, and third finger on the first string, and they pluck together. And then that G minor, this second finger slides into the third fret, which turns that into an E flat. So it's a nice handy way to get in there. So G minor, E flat, and then bar the second fret and put your second finger on the third string, or sorry, not the third string, the third fret, first string. Okay, and that'll be your D7. So we'll go like this. So that's it slowed down a little bit. So have a go at that And until next week, remember, keep strumming and keep her lit.